Hi, hello guys. Happy New Year. We're going to the Happy New Year for 2020. This is a new channel. It's called Heaven Glitters Agency. We focus on health and fitness, CPA affiliate marketing, impact motivation, and digital marketing. We're trying to our best way to bring you tips that will help you for your business. Yeah, I've just found another way, the best way. Not the best way, but I mean, if you're starting as an affiliate marketing, not maybe you might not have a lot of money to start. When I started doing this type of business as an affiliate marketer, it wasn't easy. I didn't have anyone to show me around. I have to do try and errors, and sometimes I have to also spend some money before I was able to do I was able to get certain things done. But I've just found a cool way where you can create just a simple opt-in page and get people to do that login when you send an affiliate link, to be able to capture details and everything, and just using your simple just a simple Gmail account, you'll be able to at least start up doing something. When as time goes on, when you get enough money, then you can now try to expand and scale on it. So I've got like just bits and pieces here that I want us to follow today. It says how to set up a simple free form opt-in page, and also I've got a free ebook for you to download. It's also gonna help you out. The free book is 5 ways to increase your affiliate commission. And also just free form setup, and also you need to have a Gmail account where you can create a new Gmail account that will help you also as well to be able to do to be able to connect to your customers when they opt in. So first of all, the first place that we're gonna go to Google, and you type in email me. So when you go to email me, then you got email free form. So you click on that. So when you click on that, you're going to register. I've already registered, so I don't want to go through it, and then it will take time. So when you log in, after you log in, you're gonna come to a page like that. When you log in, you're gonna come to a page like that. So you click new. When you click new, it's gonna take you to this page. It's gonna take you to when you click new, it will now tell you to create from the scratch. So let's do that again. So when you click new, we're just going to give you create blank and create my own form, or you can use template. But I will just creating just a simple form. So what I did was I just went straight and create a new from scratch, because what I did was I just type in the form. I'm gonna show you how the form look like. Just a minute. So let's put that link here. So this is just a simple form. So he said, just to talk about 5 ways to increase your affiliate commission. If you write an article, or if you write an article about affiliate commission and you want to give out for free and you want people to opt in, this is just a simple form for people to opt in. If you have enough money, and then you can subscribe, you can pay upgrade, then you can go to the next level where you can get a lot of different functions. But in this instance, I just want to create just a simple email opt-in for people to opt in, and then also to give out the free article that I've written about the affiliate marketing. So what I did was you just click on name, you click on email, and if you this side, you just put your title and everything, how you want the title to be. So in this instance, what I did was I just put a few things here. So you can, it's just a simple way. It depends on which one you want to promote, or which article that you want to give out. So what I did was I just put on some few things here, and then I put the name and the email, and then here I just connected it to a different page, the page that I want people to download. So that's what I did. I put there. So when they click the submit, it will now direct them to a different page, and that page will now tell them to download the free book that I've given. And also, so once you do that and you save, you click on, so you go back here, you save form. So when you click save form, as you're clicking for save form, it's now going to connect you. It said modify email notification for this form. So you have to click on that one. When you click on that, you're now going to choose the email where you want the recipient to receive. That's my email. So if you want any recipient to, when you click after they type the email address, where do you want it to go? So you can now put the email here. So when they receive it, anytime they log in straight away, they're going to the response is going to come to this email account. So that email account, if you have a new Gmail, that's why I said you have to create in a new Gmail account. If you create in a new Gmail account, you can now, let's go to my Gmail account and I will show you. I've just created a new Gmail account. So what Gmail account is going to do, is this Gmail account is going to help me to send the information automatic to anyone that will log in, and the person will be able to download straight away for the ebook. So if you click settings, and you go to settings, on here, on last here, you're going to put you go to out of office. Some places, some Gmail account, they will tell you vacation on and vacation off, but my one is out of office, auto reply on. So you just put your details and everything, how you want how the person is going to receive the ebook. So what I put 100% free guide, 5 ways to increase your affiliate commission, and this is the download. So when you click the download, and this is actually the download, so when you click the download, it will be able to connect you to where you can now download the free ebook for the affiliate marketing that I want to give out. So once I do that, so that means this particular email, you're not going to be used for anything. Anytime the person opts in the details, it's going to come here, and the person is going to automatically receive this response. So that will be much more easier. So it's a passive thing that is doing for you. Everything will be done automatically, so you don't need to do a lot. So after you do that, then you put in your email and everything, and when you finish, you click on save. When you click on save, it's going to tell you if you want to test the form, or if you want to in this instance, this is just for me demonstration to show you how it works. So for me, I'm not gonna go there, I'm not gonna test, but the ones that I've done, if I click on there, you'll be able to see. And also just to let you know, okay, so also just to let you know, once you type in your email address and you click submit, it's going to send straight to the page that it's going to send the page to the page, and also it's going to direct you to it will automatically send you the response of how you can download your free ebook. If you also have any other offers that you're going to add, you can add that offer straight ahead. So it will also help the people to know what you're promoting. So from there, which one again? So from there, this is how you're going to do that. So once you do that, you can now go back to this page. You can now go back to this page and you click on that. You click on option. When you click, where is it? Okay, so now this is what I'm going to promote. So you can now copy this one. You copy the link, and because the link is a long link, you know, sometimes it's hard for people to remember this type of link. So what you're gonna do, you go to bit.ly, you go to bit.ly. So when you go to bit.ly, because I've already done it, when you go to bit.ly, you create. So when you create, you create on the when it says create, where it says create. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this one. I'm gonna take the link. So let's say I'm gonna take, this is just a demonstration to show you. So you can go to bit.ly, and then you click, so you paste the long email, long URL, and then from here you can come here, you can customize it, you can type in, you can now type in or give a name that reflects to the offer that you want to give. In this instances, mine was, I'll give you my, in this case, just bear with me. In this case, I gave mine as bit.ly, then for free ebook affiliate. That's what I've given mine. I'm gonna leave a link on the bottom, so you can actually click on it, and then you can download the free ebook. And the ebook is very good. I mean, it's something that it will help you. It's, when I started, I didn't have the opportunity, and there was nothing like someone holding your hand and showing you. But I think it's best that over the time, when you achieve a lot, you want to give out. You also want people to, you know, we want people to also benefit from it, you know. So I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom. For if you're interested, please click on the link below, and then you'll be able to download your free copy of the ebook. It talks about how you can earn more commission on your affiliate marketing, and it also talks about clickbanks. It talks about any affiliate marketing at all that you get started, you'll be able to use it. It also talks about CPA, and how you can get more commission on affiliate marketing. So guys, this is all I have for you. I hope this is very useful. You can practice now, and you can also use it to you know, start doing, and at least start something, because not every time that you're going to, you know, get paid to auto response email companies and pay them for them to be able to connect your email. The little things that we have, you can also use to help us. So please just try and subscribe. If you subscribe, if I get any updates, try to make new videos every week. So every week I try to bring new videos. So if you subscribe, if you subscribe and you click on the notification button, if there's any new videos, you'll be able to, you'll be able to get. So I wish you happy new year, and hopefully 2020, this will be a best year for all of us. So you take care, and thank you for watching.